is important to take good care of our body. If we do not take good care of body, our body will become weak, children. Okay.
Can you close your book?
Okay, listen. Kailangan, children, importante na pangalagaan natin yung ating katawan. Kasi pag hindi natin pinalagaan yung ating katawan, magiging matamlay tayo. Magiging weak tayo. So, kailangan natin na pangalagaan ito. So, this morning, children, I have here an poster. So, everybody on the board. Okay. This one is
Body.
part of our body. So, this one is our, everybody, head. Okay, very good. What about this one? Shoulder. Okay, what about this one?
Body.
Chest. Okay. What about this one? Stomach. Okay, very good. What about this one? Leg. What about this one? Foot or feet. Okay, what about this one? Hand. Okay, what about this one? Neck. Very good. What about this one, children? Okay, very good. So this morning, children, do you know the parts of the body? Okay, very good. Okay, let me choose one children to go in the front. Okay, would like to volunteer.
Trisha.
Trisha, come here. Okay, children, listen Okay, Trisha. Trisha will define different parts of the body. Okay, Trisha, where's your head? Everybody listen. Where's your head? Ulo. Okay, very good. Clap your hands to Trisha. Okay, very good. What about your eyes? Eyes. Okay, very good. What about your nose? Okay, very good. What about your mouth? Mouth. Wow, very good. What about your hands? Hands. Okay, very good. So what about your feet? Feet or foot? Okay, very good. What about your shoulder? Shoulder. Okay, very good. Sit down. Okay, clap your hands too. What is your name? Trisha. Okay, very good. So, children, can I choose another one? Okay, who wants to volunteer? Okay, very good. Come here.
Team.
Team, you listen, team.
Okay.
There.
Find the parts of the body. Okay, where's your nose? Where's your nose? Okay, children. This one is your nose. Okay. What about your head? Head. Okay, very good. What about your hands? Okay, very good. What about your foot? Very good. Okay, what about your mouth? Okay, very good. What about your eyes? Okay, very good. What about your ears? Okay, very good. Sit down. Thank you. Okay, clap your hands. Okay, very good. So this morning, children, I will give you exercises. Okay, everybody has crayons? Okay, everybody get your crayons.
Get your crayons na.
One by one.
One by one only. Slowly.
Get your crayon now.
Do you have a crayons, Rodolph? Where's your crayons? There. Do you know how to use that? Do you know how to use that? Yeah.
Okay, go back to your chair.
Where's Zachary? Say hi, Zachary. Yung kay Kyle pala, wala pa siyang sa nutrition month. Ano yung kanya?
Very good. Si Basti, where's your crayons?
Nagtanong kasi yung father eh.
Okay, sit down everybody. Okay, very good. This morning, we will have our activity. Okay, everybody must listen. Okay,
Guys, take your seat. Basti, where's your crayons? Basti, do you have crayons, Basti? Basti, saan yung crayons mo? Dala ka? Get your crayons, Basti. Kunin mo yung crayons mo dun sa bag mo. Oh. Sige na. Yeah. Yung crayons, yung kulay, kunin mo dun. Yeah, that's 2.
Let's do.
2 pages.
Okay, everybody, listen. I give an instruction.
Anong kulay, teacher?
Okay, wait lang. Okay, everybody, listen. Okay, this one.
Teacher, kahit ano?
Oh, wait lang.
Gusto niyo ba
Just listen the instruction. Hello, everybody.
Kids, listen. Kids, listen.
Okay.
Yung kwan niya.
Body parts under function.
Yung crayons.
Okay, children.
Picture. Ouch.
This one. What
Yung
do you call
crayons
this one?
ni Basti.
What do you call this one, everybody? Head. Okay. The head, children. The head holds some parts of the body like
Kyle yan.
eyes,
That's the Kyle. That's the
ears,
bag.
and then what do you call
Sa
this
bag.
one?
Kay Kyle yan.
What about this
Yun ang bag
one?
ni Basti.
Eyes. Okay, the eyes help us see things. Okay, children, it is important to have an eyes because if you don't have an eye, you cannot see everything. Okay, it is important. Okay, next, what do you call this one? Nose. Okay, the nose help us smell objects. Oh, like how to smell fruits or food. Okay, then what do you call this one? Ears. The ears help us hear sounds. Diba naririnig natin yung mga ingay, no? Mga hugong, kaya sounds. Okay, next. The other page. Okay. Turn to the next page. Okay, mouth. Mouth. Okay. The mouth holds the part that help us eat. Diba ito yung ginagamit natin kumain? We need to eat. Okay, just like the teeth. Where's your teeth? Show your teeth, everybody. Okay, open your mouth. Okay, very good. And then just like tongue. Where's your tongue? Okay, very good. What about this one? What do you call this one? Hands. Okay, hands help us to hold things. For example, crayons. Okay, this one, crayons. I hold, what do you call this one? Color green. Okay, what do you call this one? Crayons. Okay, crayons. I hold crayons.
Yes, color
Okay,
green.
what about this one? Everybody.
Later.
Feet.
Later.
Feet help us to walk. Walk. Lalakad.
Yeah.
Walk. Then, the last is, what do you call this one? Tongue. Okay, very good. Tongue. Help us taste food. Ginagamit na natin ito pag panlasa. Very good. Taste food. Masarap o hindi. Sweet or salty. Okay. So, back to the first page. Go back to the first page. Okay. Children, you must color this one. Any color. Any color.
Any color. Where's any color?
Then, this one you must
Any color.
any color.
Yeah, you can use that brown.
Brown, green.
Do you have brown
red.
color?
Color the hair brown.
Where's brown?
Or black.
Yeah, any color.
Any color. Any color.
Green teacher.
My green.
Wala